Sanju, 1 minute. See, just 1 minute. Sanju, 1 minute. I request you, Harish and Pankaj also on the debate. See, Harish and Pankaj and Tausif, at this time, I request you, play for Team India. Don't play for Donald Trump. If you play against Team India now, like the Congress party is doing, the people of the country will not forgive you.
As far as trade is concerned, as far as foreign policy is concerned, and don't forget, China supports India when it comes to the penalizing tariffs that Donald Trump has imposed. And that is the reason Prime Minister Modi is going to the SCO summit on the 31st of August. And
anyway, I would say that just one small point and an aside before I go to Pankaj. Trump says that the Indian economy is a dead economy, in which case the natural question, Pankaj, I would ask on an aside, why is the Trump family investing 175 crores in real estate projects in Mumbai, Pune, Kolkata and Gurugram? He's putting 175 crores of his own money into real estate projects. Not a small amount. Right? I know he's a very rich man, but he's putting in his own money into real estate in India. Why would he do that if it was a dead economy? The point is, Pankaj, Pankaj, play for Team India this time. Play for it, once. Play for Team India. Come on.
Everyone is playing for Team India. Everyone is playing for Team India. Who is not playing for Team India? You know, I was very carefully listening to your conversation. Please, Sanjuji, listen to others also. Mr. Goswami, I was listening to your conversation with Shalabh Kumar Shaily very carefully, and I would like to say that I agree with most of his points, but it doesn't absolve our Prime Minister from his responsibility. For all these years, he was gathering thistles. He was gathering thistles, and now he is expecting pickles. How can it be possible? This is not this. The entire thing is not between two nations. This entirely is between two individuals, two whimsical, hyper individuals.
Rahul Gandhi is a sore loser who does not
Election Commission has no respect for the democracy in India. Election Commission has no respect. Election Commission and BJP, they have no respect for democracy in India. You are killing the democracy. The blood of democracy is on the hands of BJP and Election Commission both. Rahul Gandhi has raised some very valid questions in his press conference. Let the Election Commission reply to his questions. See, all these kiddish arguments have no meaning. Try to debate. Don't give all these kiddish arguments.
Speak about your own army. Does Rahul Gandhi have any pride in the idea of India? No. Does Rahul Gandhi have any pride in the Samvidhan ki Lal Kitab, which he showcases on the
who is wearing the uniform of the Air Force and putting all his life-size hoardings everywhere across the country? Who is taking the advantage? Who is exploiting armies?
Parliament at taxpayers' expense. Aapko malai khani hai. You want all the perks of being an MP, and then you abuse the Election Commission, you abuse the Prime Minister of the country, you abuse the judicial process, you abuse the...
Ask the Election Commission to give proper replies to Rahul Gandhi's queries.
Tausif.
What Rahul Gandhi has presented.
You see,
very serious facts.
1 minute.
Let the Election Commission reply to them.
Tausif.